I'll go in. I'm gonna go in. Yeah. Here we are. Alright, YouTube. Now this is what a Scottish Burns supper sounds like. He might play the bagpipes again. I did not get that on video, by the way. That was one of our other pipe mans, our pipe members playing the bagpipes. He was presenting the haggis. And yes, I said haggis with a type of Scottish accent. So there we go. Kind of got a Scottish accent there for a second. Thaddeus. Stand over here. There they are over there. And there we go. This is pretty much what a Burns supper sounds like. Pretty much. There's a guy, I don't know if y'all heard earlier, but if y'all can make it out, but there was a Scottish accent up there. And I will actually be playing bagpipes here in a little bit. Probably won't get that on video, but I'll try and post some videos. I'm actually getting a new phone, so hopefully the camera on that one is awesome and will handle loud bagpipe music and all that stuff. Stand right here for a sec. This place is really big though. But yes, YouTube, we're gonna get a new pin spotlight. Like I said, my sunset lamp is still awesome, but I figure I still need a proper pin spot for my disco ball. Now the motor does have some lights on it, but they're not as bright. Oh, here we go. All right, YouTube. So yeah, I'll be getting a new pin spot, but the cool thing about this new one that I'm getting is it's going to have the cyan, full cyan on it, so I won't have to wait for it to change colors to do cyan, so that's going to be awesome. So we will have cyan light again for the disco ball. There we go. I'm going to aim the camera down just a tad. I do have my kilt on, by the way. There's the tartan. All that's on, the sporin.
Hey, how you doing, dude?
Doing awesome.
Doing good? You have a seat?
I'm about to.
You want a seat?
I was just, because I know we have to go up in a little bit.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know that we'll have time for a seat here.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I was just standing here filming just to get some video footage for my channel.
Certainly.
So we do have to go up at 7:20 to practice because we're going to be down here at 8 o'clock playing bagpipes. I probably won't get it on video for you guys, but definitely be sure to check out, wait for Tuesday, hopefully around Tuesday, Because we will be unboxing our new pin spotlight, which will have cyan light in it. So I will be able to put it on solid cyan. But for now, we're gonna have some fun. Yes, I'll probably put some bagpipe music on while. I'll probably put some bagpipe music on while we're unboxing. Maybe some Scottish small pipes. But this is basically what a burnt supper sounds like, pretty much. Got the haggis, and that was my pipe major right near me. He was talking to me and all that stuff. Oh, the lights just got dark. What are they doing? They're getting ready to have a pipe band. Right down that way, there's a bagpipe. I don't know. I don't think that's anyone playing bagpipes right now. Oh, someone's got an accordion. Go check out Cyan Music because I do have an accordion. I just got a new accordion and it's awesome. Go check that out. It's on Cyan Music. It's on Cyan Music. I do have a new accordion that I unboxed on Cyan Music. Roland Lover 2021. If y'all want to go, if y'all need to search the name a little better, it's Roland, like the keyboard brand, and space Lover, and then 2021, and then you'll find Cyan Music. I do have videos of my new accordion on there. So there we go. All right, that is awesome. And this Burnt Supper is just as awesome as a Crosley record player and all that stuff. Yeah. Ooh. Scottish man got mad. I'll have to learn how to play what he just played on my accordion. If you want me to talk with the Scottish accent in the unboxing video on YouTube, guys, just let me know and I will do it. I will do it. Right, there we go. We got all those guys around there. Wow. Look at all that, everybody. Step to the side a little bit. Look at all these people. There's a bunch of Scottish people around. Wow. Turn the camera down just a bit. Ian. Oh, sorry.
Do you need to go into the red room, or are you just hanging out? What's the red room? The preparation room is getting ready?
Yeah, I'll go into the. Is that where they're doing the pipes and all that? Yeah, I'll go ahead and go in there. Well, YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and get off of here. I'll probably film more after I get finished playing bagpipes. I'm going to go to the red room here in a little bit to go ahead and prepare and start playing bagpipes. Anyways, thanks for watching, and more to come later.